Good morning, Philippines! Welcome to ABS-GMA News. Today is Friday, May 3, 2024. I am Jamie Rosette E. Asuncion, bringing you the hottest and latest news in our country. Our headlines: 38 areas under dangerous heat index classification. PhilBox records 5 volcanic earthquakes in Taal Volcano. Former Senator Rene Sagisag died at 84. 38 areas in the Philippines are experiencing scorching temperatures of up to 47 degrees Celsius. Some of these areas are Iba, Zambales, Metro Manila, and Naguban, Pangasinan. The State Weather Bureau advised the public to limit outdoor activities, stay hydrated, and schedule daily activities during cooler areas later in the day. Taal Volcano exhibited 5 volcanic earthquakes, 3 volcanic tremors lasting 2 minutes each during its latest 24-hour observation period. It remains on alert level number 1. Former Senator Rene Sagisag, a freedom fighter and human rights lawyer, died at late Tuesday at the age of 84. The younger Sagisag did not mention the cause of his father's death. And that's all for today. Please log in on www.absgmanews to stay updated. Stay hydrated and have a good day.